Hey everybody, as you can see right here behind us, we were back up here in Gatlinburg this weekend. They are doing the Craftsman's Fair. It is this weekend and next weekend, and so since we've been doing some crafts ourselves with our chairs, we decided to come up here and check it out.
Yep.
So we came up here with our friends Gary and Crystal with Hightower Crafts, and let's go in and see what kind of craftsman's in here and see if we can find something good to buy.
Yep, let's go check it out.
Describe it. Took my tongue and tied it. Sent my heart over the moon.
Yeah, that's super
cute. Come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me.
This is a kit to age your own bourbon, then make scotch. You can use 100 proof moonshine, or you can use Everclear and water to get to 100 proof. Normally takes 4 to 7 years to get a decent bourbon. And you can see the 7-day comparison right over there on the wall, and we have that on our website as well, whiskeyinaweek.com. And day 3 to 4 is when you should start tasting. We also give you a screen to start to taste. So this is 5 days. Start tasting. When you find a flavor profile you like, pour it back in the original jar to stop the aging process. This is the moonshine we usually use. After you pour it out, now you've got a used bourbon barrel. Used bourbon barrels are good for one thing, making scotch. So you're going to fill it with a high wheat vodka like a Svedka, Grey Goose, or Absolute. Day 10 to 11 start tasting. By day 15 it'll be close to a Macallan 12-year scotch.
Wow.
Pour that out, then you can use the wood chips for smoking meat or fish on the barbecue. These are $30 each, buy 3 get 1 free. If you have jars, that's all you need. These are $25 each, buy 3 get 1 free. Or the glass gallon for $125, makes a gallon of bourbon, gallon of scotch, and chips for the grill. Or the collapsible bourbon on the go tailgater over there, and you can also register to win that as well. It comes with all the instructions, the bourbon, measuring stick, how to taste it using the screen. Step 2 is the scotch, which high wheat vodkas we've tested, what day to start tasting, and step 3 is smoking on the grill. All the wood comes from my farm. I planted it when I was about 5 to 10 years old. We started harvesting it 3 years ago. It's about 50 years old.
These are cattail wind chimes. I hand make them all out of bronze and copper. They'll never rust. They can be out all year. Let me show you something. You can actually adjust the volume. You can turn them off. They'll just stand here like this. And watch how easy you can turn them on. You slide them. They're kind of kinetic. It pulls one side to the other. You install them in the ground with this little spike. You just put the spike in the ground, you slide them in there, and that's all you got to do. Now here's the fun with this. Everybody has something in the air. This is on the ground. Your garden will kind of just move with it. And the fun thing is, if you have animals in your yard that are causing problems, deer that eat the hostas, stuff like that, this will stop them. They think it's a predator with 2 arms and a head moving. So little bunnies and stuff like this could save your flowers and all your vegetables and look pretty at the same time doing it.
Hello, I am Shanna Wyatt. I own Chadwicks Naturals, all natural dips. We are out of Calhoun, Georgia. We have over 55 flavors of different dips that me and my husband have created. They are all natural. There's nothing in them that you can't pronounce. My favorite dip is Asiago Prime Rib, which is also our #1 seller. It's a dip you won't find anywhere else. It is Asiago cheese with a blend of some beef in there, and it's absolutely amazing. My newest dip is a chicken pot pie, which is a play off of my veggie dip that I ended up adding some chicken stock to and some buttermilk powder. So we're always constantly creating new flavors and playing with things. So check us out on our website, www.chadwicks naturals, naturals.com, and check out, get you some dips.
This would be like the windman component of it too. You have nice, two tones and one like that, high and low. This is not my favorite tone. My preference is the picture. So I have these in my house, but I like that tone. We have those in the trees. We go for the weekend.
All right, everybody, that wraps up this week's episode. We hope you enjoyed us showing you some of the vendors. Big shout out to the vendors that did let us talk to them on camera and everything. We try to be respectful of all the vendors up there. We don't ever want anybody to think that we're trying to steal their crafts, because these guys work too hard on honing those crafts and developing those skills to make this stuff.
Oh, and gosh, they're so talented, guys. We saw some of the most amazing things. It was just really a phenomenal day.
Yeah, it was an awesome day, and again, we got to spend it with Hightower Crafts. Shout out to Gary Crystal for inviting us along on that trip. That was kind of their trip they had planned, and they invited us to go up there with them. So we enjoy getting to going out and spending time with friends. And as you can see right over here, we did pick up a few items for ourselves.
We sure did.
We just couldn't resist. I love my little wind chimes, and so this will add to my collection. I've got several here around the house. Our videos normally run a few weeks behind. Honestly, because all the COVID stuff, we haven't been traveling a lot, we're kind of caught up, so we're almost real time, guys. This video is coming out to you on Sunday. We actually made this trip on a Friday up to Gatlinburg to the convention center up there, and so that was actually the first day of the craft event. It goes all the way through this weekend, all week next week, and all the next weekend. And so you've got plenty of time, guys, if you get a chance, if you're up in that area. Go check out the Great Smoky Mountains. You won't be disappointed. It's beautiful up there. We've got some other videos on where we've been up there before. But these vendors are going to be there for quite a few more days. Go show them your support and love.
Well, and admission's only $5, guys. So it's really affordable, and it is worth every penny.
Yeah, we had a blast. So if you'll notice, we're in our Sling chairs.
For sure.
And so don't forget, it's every Saturday up at the LJ's Farmers Market from 8 to 12. We'll be there. We would love to see you guys come out and meet you face to face in person.
Oh, that would be great.
And tune in next week. We got a new video every Sunday at 6 o'clock.
Yep. Tune in, guys. We can't wait to see you.